Take your time.
Yeah, I got the backdraft.
You could say it. Okay, so the 1910 gave him the backdraft. It was like you opened your mouth and your nose just to get a relaxing breath, and the fire came out of your nose.
Totally. And
your eyes start the water with the, you know, when I would do the super big gulp, try to be funny? That's what I was always dealing with the side, was the backdraft. A lot of people in the bourbon community use the word smooth. Like, what is smooth? And recently, Whiskey Tribe, you are a smooth person. Whiskey Tribe did a video about the smoothest whiskeys. But interesting thing, it was just about Irish whiskeys and Scotch.
Okay.
Why don't we do our own YouTube about what was the smoothest bourbon in 2020 and what does smooth mean to you?
So we're going to be trying these 4 and determining whether or not what is smooth, or because look, for me, these 2 I considered in 2020 the smoothest bourbons that I had.
I figured you'd do that. Something similar to that. And so I think within the $100 budget, let's go ahead and do these. And I think these are probably some of the most popular smooth bourbons that I saw people use the word for. And I do think it's really easy on the palate, and we'll get into that right now. But what makes bourbon smooth?
All right. Obviously, we've done notes on all of these.
Yes.
So we're not going to go through all that. We're just going to drink?
Well, let's talk about this. Like, what is smooth to you? Because I'm sure it's different for both of us.
Right. So my definition of smooth when I'm drinking a whiskey or a bourbon is, can I enjoy it neat without a lot of heat? Right?
Did you play that?
No. But
well, I think for smooth, for myself, for my palate, it's more about like buttery for me, creamy to me. I feel like when the bourbon has a tendency to just flow down really easy and I don't have to do a really big swallow, that ends up being smooth for me. If I was gonna take the smooth and then put it to 2 bourbons that we had for 2020, it would be the 1910 and it'd be the Elijah Craig.
All right. Well, for me, it's gonna be Angel's Envy and the Woodford Reserve.
That is the big boy. That, because that's one of the most popular ones.
Yeah, no. Oh,
let's crack that one.
Yeah, let's do it.
Shout out to Hood.
Yeah, these are pretty cool glasses.
These are the thick. These are like, this is like a Hollywood gal, and this is like
the Hood guy.
The Hood girl.
All right. All right.
We're gonna go with Whiskey Thieves last on this one. Now we have 4 of these to do, big dog.
Costco brand Reserve.
Have I told you?
I can't even hold it up with one hand.
Yeah, I'll have to help you push. Good, good. You know, don't forget, we have...
oh, I put too much?
We're going to be doing a live with Bourbon Badass, tasting like 5 Texas distillery bourbons, so this is going to be quite a big show today.
I didn't know. All right.
I get what you're saying. I get it.
Feel it down here.
No.
You feel it right here.
Yeah, I mean, it's bourbon.
But it's
definitely bourbon.
That's all. No, I can continue drinking this.
I'm going to go with this. I'm going to go with the 1910 Old Forester.
All right. Here, once you pour it in the hood,
Yes.
I'm going to finish this.
Sounds like a personal, bro.
Just a skosh.
I didn't really get scotchy. Scotchy?
Skosh.
I didn't really get scotchy.
Yeah, my friend Kristen got me saying that. Now I have to say it all the time.
All right, so this is going to tend to be a little bit more, just so we know, we are at 93 proof. What was that one at?
Oh, this one? This is it's not very high. It is
90 proof. On the level of smoothness,
all right,
what was that?
Right on the tongue.
Yeah.
See, to me, it's smooth. I don't want to feel anything in the mouth.
Okay.
So that's why I don't consider the Old Forester smooth. It's a tasty, and it's delicious, and I would definitely drink it. But if you want my definition of smooth,
comparing it to that, it's not as smooth as that.
It's not as smooth as the Woodford, because the Woodford, I don't get the heat until it's way down into my gut.
I tend to enjoy the caramel, the brown sugars, a little bit of oak. For me, I didn't feel like it was something I have to gulp. I would say this was smooth. What else you got?
all entitled to your wrong opinion. So let me finish mine.
Did you say I'm entitled to my wrong opinion?
Ah.
All right. Oh, you gotta start doing them more often. That was a nice pop.
You can't twist it. You just gotta.
Is that what I'm doing?
Pop it. You can't twist it.
Yeah, I could be doing the twist. Could be
twist.
Could be turning the knob a little bit too much.
I go a little less pour. Just sweet, no heat.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I had not white pepper. I had like a cinnamon spice.
Yeah.
I think that would be like an allspice.
Could be like an allspice
like
or
a
clove.
clove.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
You like that?
Got it.
A little bit of coriander.
No coriander.
There's no coriander?
There's no coriander.
I was looking forward to use that
I know.
later. As far as with this and with that, where would you put it as far as the smoothness category goes?
Am I between yours and this one?
Well, just right now, these three.
If I were to rank them,
this is the smoothest.
Smoothest, second smoothest, third smoothest. We have
Wow.
to try Elijah.
Okay.
All right. Your turn to pour. Yeah, all these are great price points.
Yeah.
Dude, seriously, this big ass Woodford, Costco for $42.
It's like the smoothest budget.
Uh,
Ooh, batter up.
okay.
Batter up.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember.
See? Bitter.
So right now, I would say King Dingaling is the Woodford Reserve.
King Dingaling.
But
Yeah.
before we finish this, we
Yeah.
wouldn't be able to do it justice
Okay.
if, throwing a curveball here,
Oh, curveball.
we throw in the Woodford Reserve Double
Let's
Oaked.
get rid of this.
All right?
Let's do that.
All right.
All right, man.
So this is the Woodford Reserve Double Oak.
Double
Let's
oak.
see if it compares
Proof
next to the
point?
big boy. Ooh, good question. 90 proof.
90 proof.
So,
All right. Let's try it. Smooth. Operator.
ooh, I don't know.
Oh, I do get a bite on the tongue, though.
Get it?
I did.
Well, where do you compare this now with the smoothies?
Yeah. Okay.
Where we are with 19, can we put that back? Okay, we both agree that one's off the shelf.
Yeah.
For smoothest
Back on
budget
the
bourbon.
Yeah. All right.
Where do you find Angel's Envy compared to that?
Okay, so I still think Angels is the smoothest because
Even
it
with
has
that and
no
that?
heat. Oh, it's got no heat.
Okay.
Easy to drink. Very sweet.
All right.
Right? Next, I would say the double
Okay.
is smoother than the reserve. Okay. And then the Elijah Gregg at the end.
So we could take Elijah Craig off.
Yeah, I'm just saying it's
Yeah.
it's smooth. I'm not saying it's not smooth.
Oh, no, smooth.
But I'm a big baby when it comes to
Yeah.
heat, right?
So we're able to
how about
actually
you?
tell.
What are you?
For me, I would say this was the smoothest / sweet. And I say Angel's Envy was number 2.
Yeah. All right.
So there you go. There really
you
is no
go.
win, you know?
This is such a subjective video.
Yeah, but it's a good one. Like it's like, what is smooth to you?
Yeah, what is
Because
smooth to you? Leave a comment below.
Actually, that is exactly what you should do.
Yeah.
Is leave a comment below of what your smooth is. And how about this? We'll pick somebody in the comment section. If they've made it this far
Yeah.
and you leave it, we'll go ahead and do a random and we'll send you a glass or a t-shirt. You get to pick.
You pick, right? T-shirts, glasses.
There you guys go.
All right, man.
That was good.
Well, listen, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, as we just kept on saying. Hit us up at Whiskey Thieves TV, both on Facebook and Instagram.
Boom.
Anything else? Oh, our Facebook group.
Yeah, I haven't been doing a lot of action there through
Yeah.
New Year's, but people keep applying to it. I think we're almost to 90, so you can
we'll
just
get
send
there.
us an ad and we'll go ahead and accept you. And make sure you interact with the reels. We've been doing a lot more video shit,
Yeah.
so we hope you guys enjoy that as well.
Oh, we had like 10,000, right?
Oh yeah, we had one of them that had 26,000. No, I'm not bragging, but
Brag.
it's because of you guys. You guys are enjoying it.
Love it, man.
See you guys later. Bye.
All right, man. This is really good.
Smooth.
So smooth. This is something you drink with a cigar.
This is definitely something you drink with a cigar. I know it's hard to say. Smooth.
Smooth.
SMOOT. I think I'm running out of space. H.
All right. All right. 2 down.
What you got next? Smooth. What's smooth for you?
All right. Trying to clear my palate.
Angel's Envy.
Angel's Envy. Angel's Envy.
The envious angels.
Very envious.